Hi, I am the lead engineer for Earth Art and Tech here in Brooklyn, New York. We are a small group of engineers that love working on a startup project, and we would absolutely like to be a part of your startup journey. I started my software career with Cisco Systems. I worked with them for 6 years and then exited to start working on my own startup, which worked well enough, kept me on my toes for around 6 years. And after my exit, I have been looking for projects just like yours where I can contribute. So we have a small group of engineers. We do have some internal projects, and come and check out our website, and you can see the internal projects we're doing. But we have the bandwidth to also take your projects. What you get from us when you get us to work on your project, what you get is your own dev team. We are a dev shop. We are not a body shop. Like, we have never placed an engineer in some other entity where they become a part of that organization. So if you decide to work with us, I will work with you. I will make sure I understand your software requirements. If it is within our expertise, I will give you a quote. I will tell you how I can do how I can move ahead with the project. And if I can't, I will just let you know to the best of my knowledge where you can go. We are picky about the projects. So we take projects where we can really enjoy doing them and can pretty much guarantee the completion and successful engineering delivery. Your projects are important to us. At one point, we only work on like 2 or 3 projects, not more than that. So you can be assured that the entire team, we have a QA engineer, we have a project manager, they will all be at your disposal. And we become part of your internal team. Sometime in the past, with our clients, even some of our engineers have decided to continue with them. And we encourage that. Engineers come to us to grow with us, and we want to grow with you. A lot of time we have taken equity ownership in our partners' projects. So one thing I can guarantee you, that even though we are a small startup-oriented engineering team, we have worked on. I just finished a contract with GameStop, NFT marketplace last year, and I just finished another one, a corporate contract with Allergen Data Labs. So we do follow the practices, the coding and management practices used by corporate organizations to make sure that the code we create is maintainable and of a certain quality. Depending on your budget and depending on your timeline and how aggressive you want to be, I will tell you exactly what's the quality of code you can expect. It is sometimes a possibility that when you're creating an MVP, you're not trying to create a code whose life cycle or will be 5 years. Maybe you just want to go ahead and show something in a year and then recode the whole thing, which is a completely viable strategy instead of spending 2 years to create something that will not even see the day. So those are the kind of decisions that I can work with you. At Earth Art Tech LLC, we are an engineering team with the zeal of a startup, but the discipline of a corporate engineering team.